give a little bit information about how to host your Android application on the cloud. Cloud is here we are using Amazon Cloud. So, AWS means what? Amazon Web Services. The owner of the Amazon Web Services is the Amazon.com. We can use it on a primary basis as a for a 12 months as a trial basis. On a trial basis. After that, we have to pay for it for using net banking or the credit card system that we pay as similar as to we are paying for the other services. Cloud is nothing but storing the data and accessing the data from the internet rather than the computer hard drive, which is most usable for the today's generation. It contains mostly the AWS Web Services mostly contain the two systems, that is CPU and GPU. The mainly CPU system is for the local RAM memory and GPU system is for the grid system, that is the for the hard drive system. So AWS Cloud mainly used for the flexibility and its redundancy. So for better use and for the better hard drive compilation, we use here Amazon Web Services. Many different websites and applications are hosted on this cloud. Similarly, on other clouds, we can use it for better use of the cloud. We are here as an example. We are taking as a Amazon Web Services. The next part will be continued by my colleague. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I am Nikita. As per my colleague said, we are going to host Android app on AWS Cloud. First, I tell you about Android. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google based on Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as tablets, smartphones, etc. Android user interface is mainly based on direct manipulation using touch gestures that loosely correspond to real-world actions such as sweeping, tapping, pinching to manipulate on-screen objects along with virtual keyboard for text input. So, we develop an Android application and we use AWS Cloud to deploy it. We are going to create one login application and information of user. It means username and a password we are going to store at server side. For that we use PHP server and server will respond to the user as per demand. Thank you. Next part will be defined.
Thank you. My name is Shital. Advantages of cloud. User will access that file on demand. Because of using cloud, we can reduce the memory space. When multiple users access the server gets down, we can resolve the problem by using cloud. Cost efficient. Cloud computing is probably the most cost efficient method to use, maintain and upgrade. Almost unlimited storage, backup and recovery, easy to access to information. When we register the cloud, we can access information from anywhere. Quick deployment, less environment impact. Next part will be continue my colleague. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Mayuri. So as per my colleague said, we are deploying a project, that is Android project, and we deploy that project on the cloud. We have so that the prerequisite we have we must have our login. So the prerequisite for this Android application is we must have our account on the AWS Cloud. So the user can get the account on the AWS Cloud. So in this tutorial, we are going to what we do in this project. We are done an Android application. So the application will get so the user will log in the application, that is it enter your username and password and they get logged in the application, and that information of the user, that is username and the password, will get stored on the server side. We create this server using the PHP. So this server we deploy this server on the AWS Cloud. So this server is available anywhere, anyhow, when the user wants to it. So it is on demand, pay as per you go server, that is it is a cloud server. So it will get beneficial for the for our application. So we will so you know that we will create so first we will create an AWS account. uh, AWS account. Then we will create a simple Android application and we'll deploy that server on the AWS Cloud. So the demonstration of the whole this project we will see on the next part. So thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.